back to another video. Today we're gonna make slime. I just made this slime, but I forgot that my camera wasn't on, and I made the slime without y'all. Y'all probably like, oh my god, why did you make the slime without us? So this is like a regular fluffy slime. Yeah, so I'm about to put in it back. I'm about to put this in the back. So I was gonna get some more containers, but I gotta wait until I get some money, cause I already got a gallon of glue. I got clear glues. I got one white glue. I got contact solution, borax. I got shaving cream. I got all that stuff, and I had $100. But I have like a lot of stuff now. But I have two gallons of glue. One right here and one right here. So yeah. Oh my god. So this is what all you'll be needing for this. You'll be needing some glue if you want to. I'll be using I'll use the gallon glue since I don't want to use this one. If I ran out, I'll use that one. And then I just made this one, which is a clear slime. And then this one, this contact solution wasn't working on the clear slime, so I had to use borax. And you also need some shaving cream. So I'm gonna use contact solution on the fluffy slime. So I'm gonna get my old glue and just use that. Oh my god, I added a lot. I'm just playing. No, I didn't. I added perfect amounts. Okay, so then once you have the flat screen off, you can add the shaving cream. And you can see I have to get some more shaving cream. Because I didn't get no shaving cream from the store. You're probably like, you forgot shaving cream. That's the best one. Well, no, it's not. I think glue is the best ingredient because, you can use glue on anything. Shaving cream, you can't really use shaving cream on anything. I just like how the texture is on shaving. So if you want to, I don't think this glue is going to come out no more. Okay, so I can't get that out, but we're not going to use no coloring in. So, fluffy, I got this all in, and then I'm going to add the contact solution. So I put it in here to be measured. I put it in here to be measured, like how much I'm going to use. And I'm going to hold this, and I'm going to just pour it in there. So, like a lot. And then, mix. And it starts forming. And it's forming really fast. I don't know why. But you have to take your time on this. Don't really add a lot of shaving cream. So, yeah. And you're just going to mix this slime up together. And really, really good slime. So I'm gonna have to knead it and all that stuff. Okay, so this is the slime, but it's really not as stretchy as the other one. That's one that I just had. So I added to my shaving cream, and I forgot I had a little bit of glue. But that is alright. I can add some lotion to it right now if I want to, but this is a slime that is really good. Yeah. So I'm gonna add some. I'll be right back. So I have some lotion. I had to get it out of my mom's car because if I burned up. Yo, look what I just did. I hate this table thing. I want to take it off so bad. And I'm saying, no, you're not going to get on my table. But, okay. Okay, so you're going to just mix it up with some lotion to make it stretchier. And why you mix it up with lotion, stretch it? Because that's the main part of lotion. Or if you just wanted to smell it. I'm going to have to clean up this area right here because it got lotion all over it. With that paper towel. So, one nacho and one basil. So, oh my god, it's stretchy. Now, so I'll be right back because I gotta go do something. So, in the kitchen with the so I'm coming back with the slime. But yeah, I have slime and if you want to, you gotta get all the excess out because I got all the excess out in the other slime. Like really all of them, like another thing. So in the kitchen with so I'm gonna be adding some music while I'm doing this too. So everyone's like, what is this on her stuff? It's music. I didn't know. Oh my god, it's all freaking scratchy. It's all freaking scratchy. But yeah, it's scratchy. It's sticky. Stretchy. It's sticky. It's sticky. So, comment down below and subscribe. And I know you're in the comment section, but scroll back up, like this video, comment, and turn on that notification bell because you can get every post of the video. Because you won't miss none of my videos. So, yeah. And I'm going to ask you. So you won't miss any of my videos, and you can stay contact. And go follow me on these social medias down below. I'm gonna be saying them in the comment section. Musical.ly, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, I forgot how many things that I had, but yeah, that's all. So, and comment down below. Let's see what you have to comment down below. No, you have to like this video with your nose, and your comment down below. I subscribe. I like this video with my nose, like. And if it don't work, just click with your hand, simple as that, and say I did that. But if it did, just say I did that. And I'll give you a shout out to Posty ATAY. But I'll give y'all shout outs. So yeah. And I hope y'all like this video. Please. Oh my god, I love to say please comment down below, subscribe, and like this video. So I'll be back with y'all another freaking day. I'm probably gonna make another video, but I have to upload this video right now. So I'm gonna upload this one. And yeah, so peace.